This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Tom Yum chicken. First, gather your essential ingredients. You will need boneless chicken pieces, fresh lemongrass, and galangal. Don't forget kaffir lime leaves and a few chilies for that authentic kick. Also, have fish sauce, fresh lime juice, and your favorite mushrooms ready. These fresh components are key to building the vibrant flavors of this classic Thai soup. Next, let's build the aromatic broth. Bring about 4 cups of water to a boil, then add your prepared lemongrass, galangal, and kaffir lime leaves. Once fragrant, introduce your chicken pieces and let them simmer gently until they are fully cooked and tender. Remember to skim off any foam that rises to the surface to ensure a beautifully clear and clean broth. Now it's time to perfect the flavor balance. Stir in fish sauce, fresh lime juice, and a touch of chili paste according to your taste preferences. Add your mushrooms and sliced tomatoes, cooking them for just a few minutes until they are tender but still hold their shape. Finally, garnish your delicious Tom Yum with plenty of fresh cilantro before serving it hot. Serve your steaming hot Tom Yum chicken immediately for the best flavor experience. It pairs wonderfully with a side of fluffy, steamed jasmine rice, making it a complete and satisfying meal. Remember to adjust the spice level to your preference, adding more chilies if you like it extra fiery. And speaking of staying refreshed, check out the description below for a link to a fantastic water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy every spoonful of your homemade Thai masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.